Hi all, this is Nehal from Rectangle.io. So how to send review requests using your Rectangle.io dashboard? Follow these steps. Log into your Rectangle.io dashboard. Now select the location you would like to collect review for. On top there is a button, Send Review Request. Click on it. A pop-up window will open up. Fill out all the details of the people you would like to review request for, their name, their phone number and their email address. Click send and that's it. It's that simple. Now once you have sent the review request, the reviewer will receive an email and a WhatsApp message with the link for the location you have sent review request for. Our smart customer journey links will prompt the customer to leave a review to the desired platform which you have enabled in the platform section. You can track the status of private feedback, link clicks or reviews in individual platforms such as Google, TripAdvisor or Facebook. For any questions, please comment below and we'll get back to you soon. To learn more about Rectangle.io, please watch our other videos. See you in the next one.